Now, we're going to take up one more problem on projections of solids. Problem number 145. How to solve this problem by using AutoCAD software. A problem reads as a pentagonal pyramid of 25 mm sides of base and 50 mm axis length rests on HP on one of its slant triangular faces. Draw the projections of the pyramid when the axis appears to be inclined to VP at 45 degrees. So to do this problem, so this is the final solution. So to do this, first we'll go to the AutoCAD screen and switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. The command is limits. So lower left corner by default 0, 0, upper right corner is 297, 210. Then zoom all, then go to line, select some arbitrary point and take the cursor to the right side, take the distance of 297 and press enter key. Then again take the cursor to the top side and take 210 and take the cursor to the left side and type 297 and then close it. Then go to zoom extents and zoom 0.6x. Now we go for layer command. So you click on new layer, type the layer by name XY and click on new, type the layer by name axis and click on new, type the layer by name front view, click on new, type the layer by name top view, click on new, type the layer by name front view hidden and then click on new, type the layer by name top view hidden. Then enter. Now we have the layer 0 line weight as 0.05 and the axis line XY line will going to have the line thickness as 0.13 and the axis line again you will going to have 0.05. Then the front view will going to have 0.5 and the top view will also have the line 0.5. Then front view hidden will going to be of 0.3. Okay. And the top view hidden will also be having the 0.3 and then the click on the continuous of top view hidden, click on load, type center, okay, and click on load, type hidden, type H and say okay and click on hidden and say okay, and the front view hidden line will also have the hidden line type and the axis line will going to have the center line type. And then this color will going to be magenta color. Here the front view will going to have red color and then the front view hidden will also have the red color. Then the top view will going to have blue color and the top view hidden will also have the line type as blue color. And then finally you say okay. Now to solve this solution, so first we'll go for a polygon command. So take the number of sides as 5. Take the edge option, take it as 25 now. Then go to line, take int of this, take perpendicular to this, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two, go to line, take int of this and take intersection part of this and take intersection part of this. Then go to line, take int of this and take intersection part of this. Then you just click on this, go to layer, make that layer as top view and say switch on the line weight display. Then go to line, draw a horizontal line, then go to offset, take the distance as 50. So go to offset, take the distance as 50, select this horizontal line and offset it. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then take intersection part of this and then intersection part of this. Then go to line, take int of this and take intersection part of this. Then go to erase this, then go to fillet between this line and between these two lines. Then you just go to break this line till here. Then you click on this, go to layer, make that layer as axis layer and take the distance as 10. Now you go to select these lines and make that as layer front view. Now we just go to the second position, take the front view position and copy to the second, and then make it on slant triangular face to rest on HP. So then go to copy, select this and copy to the next position, and then go to rotate, select this, then go to base point, int of this and take the reference, take int of this and take intersection part of this and rotate it. Then go to move, previous, select this and keep it here. Then go to line, take int of this and take line int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two. Similarly, you just go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then you just go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take int of this and go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to fillet between these two lines. Now we have zoom window. Then go to line, take intersection of this and take intersection of this and take intersection of this, and then you select this and you select this and take intersection of this and take intersection of this. Then go to mirror, select this line and these two lines, mirror with reference to these two lines. Then go to break this first point, take int of this and say @enter. Similarly, break first point, take int of this and say @enter. Then break first point, take int of this and say @enter. Then similarly, break first point, take int of this and say @enter. Now we just select this line and go to layer, make that layer as axis layer and take this as 0.5. Then 0.5. Once you do that, so you have the axis line, you make this as 2. Then you just click on this, and then all the exterior edges of the boundaries of the solids are visible and the surface near to the observer is visible. So this line is also visible. So you make this as top view. Once you do that, you just click on this and you click on this and go to layer, make that layer as top view hidden and take this dimension as 15. Now we just come down to this, go to line, take intersection part of this and go to line, take int of this and take intersection part of this, then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line. Now we need to draw at an angle of 45 degrees. So to do that, so just we'll go for zoom window and then just go to copy, select this entire drawing and then take base point, you select this and copy this to the next position and then go to rotate, select this, rotation with respect to this point by an angle of 45 degrees. Then go to move, select this, previous selection, so you just bring it here and keep it. Then you just come down to ortho on, then go to line, intersection part of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line and take line, take end point of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two. Similarly, you just go to line, take int of this, then go to line, take end point of this line and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between this line and this line. Go to line, take int of this and then go to line, take end point of this line and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to fillet between these two lines. So now we will go for zoom window and then bring it. And here you just go to line, take end point of this line and take intersection of this and take int of this and take int of this and take end point of this line. Then you have line, take intersection of this line and int of this, and then you take end point of this line and then go to line, take int of this and take intersection of this and take end point of this line. Then here you just come down to zoom window, you just go to break, which is this one we need to understand. So here you break this first point, take end point of this line and say at the rate. Then break first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Then we have all these things. So then there is no need for any breaking. Now you just go to, you select this line, you select this line, all the exterior edges of the boundaries of the solids are visible. You select this and go to layer, make that as front view. Then you click on this line and you make that line as layer. It is hidden. It should be front view hidden line. Front view hidden line, make that line as 15 mm. So then you just have this line and go to layer, make that layer as axis and take that distance as 10 mm. So then you just go to zoom window. Here you just click over this and also you click over this and you make that layer as front view. But okay, now this is how you will be able to get this drawing. Then you just come down to this and then go to break this line till here, then go to zoom previous, then you just go to select this line, you select this line, you select this line and you select this and go to layer, make that layer as XY. Then you just go to move this in this and you go to delete. Then you just come down to this. Now we need to do the dimensioning. So to do that, go to dimensioning variables, go to modify, primary units make it 0, then go to text, take the text height as 3, align with the dimension line, centered becomes above, then you take the offset from the dimension line as 3, then symbols and arrows, take the arrow size as 3, then go to lines, take the offset from the origin as 3 and say OK and say close. Now we have dim, so select switch off the ortho mode, take intersection part of this and take intersection part of this, so you're going to get it as 25. Then you take intersection part of this and intersection part of this, so here you take horizontal or vertical, so you're going to get 50. Then go to angular, select between these two lines, so you're going to get it as 45 degrees. Now once you get this, now we go for detext. So here you type the height as 3, then the rotation angle as 0, so you mark it as X, VP and HP, and here you mark it as capital Y. So here you put up the caps lock, A, B, C, D, E, and here it is O, and here it is O1. Once you have this, then you have O dash, then we have A dash, here it is B dash, here it is C dash, here it is D dash, here it is E dash, here it is O1 dash. So then go to move, select X, switch off this, ortho mode, then you come down to VP and you come down to HP, then Y, then you move A, move B, O1, move it appropriately to the nearer to that point. Then you have A dash, you have B dash, here you have E dash, here you have O1 dash, here you have C dash, here you have B dash, here you have O dash. Once you do that, you just click on these points and you mark this as layer, it as front view, then escape, then you just click on this, make this as top view, then go to layer, make that as top view. Now you just go to copy this O dash here and you copy this A dash here, then B dash here, then E dash here, then you make it as O1 dash and you mark it as C dash and you mark it as D dash, and here you copy this A, you copy it as O, and that O will come here, and this A will come here, and this B will come here, and that B will come here, and this C will be here, and that C will come here, and this D will be here, and that D will come here, and this E will come here, and that E will be here, and this O1 will come here, and that O1 will come here. Then go to DD edit. So you mark this as O1 and that O1 will be here. So you just move it and you just move it here. Then go to D text. So here we will have O dash, here we will have A dash, here we will have B dash, here you will have C dash, here you will have D dash, here you will have E dash, here you will have O1 dash. Then go to move, P dash, here it is A dash, here it is E dash, here it is D dash, here it is C dash, here it is O1 dash. You just click on these points and you change that layer to the front view. So once you do that, so this is the final solution, and just go to zoom window and take it near to the screen. So this is how we'll be able to create the AutoCAD projections of solids problem on pentagonal pyramid, and this solution is one and the same. And thank you.